just a few tomatoes, and your plants will never be the same. Have you ever noticed how nature hides its most powerful plant boosters in the simplest things? Out in the wild, fruits fall to the ground, break apart, and feed the soil, returning their energy to help new life grow. Today, we're recreating that magic right in your garden, and the results can make your plants grow almost twice as fast. Start by taking just a few fresh tomatoes. Ripe or slightly overripe works perfectly. Slice them into small pieces, releasing all that rich natural goodness inside. Place the pieces into a blender and add 1 cup of water. Blend until smooth, letting the natural acids, enzymes, and nutrients combine into a vibrant liquid. Next, strain this mixture into a bucket containing 5 liters of clean water. This step ensures you get a smooth, nutrient-rich solution that plants can absorb easily. Now add 1 spoon of turmeric powder, nature's own protector, mixing well so it spreads evenly through the water. Your homemade growth booster is ready. Pour it directly at the base of your plants, letting the mixture soak deep into the roots. This natural tonic feeds the soil, strengthens plants, and helps them grow faster, healthier, and stronger. Just a few tomatoes, a dash of turmeric, and the wisdom of nature, working together to transform your garden.